want to show you this burned out compressor. This is a scroll. It's a big scroll, but it's burned out. And this one actually, when it burned out, it's an actual burnout. And what I mean by that is when it went, it turned the oil into an acid sort of stuff. And this is something that does happen a lot in our systems when compressors burn out. If we can catch a compressor before it gets to this stage, it's way better. Once it reaches this point of the windings being scorched and the oil all solid black, and here's what the oil looked like that came out of this compressor. And this oil, if we tested it, this oil would test with acid. It's got an acid in it. And if we don't take care of that, when we put the new compressor in, that acid oil will make its way back to it. It'll kill the new one just as fast. There are instruments and tools out there. This one here in particular is just a 2-second check. You take this little plastic litmus paper thing out, walk up to the service valve and just give it a 2-second hit. If it changes colors, then you know you have acid. The next step then would be to replace the compressor, put in acid removal dryers, put in some sort of acid neutralizer, acid scavenger, whichever one you happen to use, possibly replace the dryer again, suction dryer, and then you're going to have to come back and keep acid testing it to make sure you got it all. Okay, now when this one got checked, with the Megger, we can clearly see that it does show red. I mean, we get an absolute bad. This would be one of those you could go up to the customer and when you clicked it, it says bad. Because the windings are grounded. And when that happens, it's all over. In fact, most manufacturers will tell you that if you pick anything up from windings to ground, that compressor's bad.